Crazy to find that up here in Oklahoma. I didn't even know they had crawfish out here. But that's definitely a crawfish, right?
Yep.
What's going on, guys? This is Eddie from Man-Made Kennels. We are out here in Oklahoma, Chickasha, Oklahoma.
Right, so we got this little waterfall out here on the land in Chickasha. And my son just threw a cast net. This is what he caught. Yo, I don't know how old it is, but it looks pretty old to me.
Pretty big too.
He's big. Woo! Crazy to find that up here in Oklahoma. I didn't even know they had crawfish out here. But that's definitely a crawfish, right?
Yep.
All right, guys.
So we're gonna go ahead and try to cast out there again, see if we can catch us another one of those crawfish up in Oklahoma. I didn't even know they were here.
Perfect. A lot of them.
What is that?
A whole bunch of two big fish, a bass. Oh, this is a big. Look at all the big fish dropping on the
That
ground.
big old fish right there.
That is a something fish. I don't know.
We got a cat, we got a bass. What is that, crappie?
Big fish.
Oh! Got fins on.
I'm guessing they're burrowed in there. I'm not 100% sure. But it does look like some ideal place for crawfish to live. We're pretty excited out here in the good, great city of Chickasha. Representing Nanakov. We're putting all the fish back, right?
Yep.
So all the fish that fell out, we're gonna put them all back. Y'all, thank you for watching. Share if you like. Leave a comment too, right?
On a count of three, say
One.
peace, man-made kennels.
Peace, man-made.
1, 2, 3.
Peace, man-made kennels. God bless, guys. Oh, and just so you guys know, we did release him. Back over here, you guys can see. Hopefully he'll find his home.